Yes, today we are play with colors and learn about the alphabets. Green color, blue color, pink color, pink color, orange color, yellow color. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. Blue color. F. F is for fan. G. G is for gun. H. H is for house. I is for iron. J. J is for juice. Green color. K. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. Red color. P is for princess. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tiger. Purple color. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay kids, thank you for watching and learning.